Developing right now, the surge in COVID cases is now impacting our local hospitals. At this hour tonight, UW Swedish American campus says they are out of ICU beds. 13 News' Cassandra Brettel joins us to explain what this means if you or someone you know is in need of emergency medical care. Cassandra.
Brittany, the clock has run out at UW Health Swedish American. For about a month now, all 30 beds in the ICU unit have been filled due to the latest COVID-19 surge. That's according to the chief nursing officer. It's expanded to another floor in the hospital, but staff are already running on crisis mode.
If there are hospital beds, we have hospital patients in them.
It honestly scared me.
A dire situation calls for a dire plea to help change course.
My mother got COVID back in October, and she was turned away from a local hospital because at the time the beds were full.
Luckily for Danny Peterson and her family, another state line hospital located a bed, but now
there literally is nowhere to send them. We have hospitals calling us. The other day we had a hospital 4 hours away call us and wonder if there was any way we had ICU beds, and we didn't.
Patient Services Vice President Ann Gantzer says the health system reevaluates about every 2 hours to see which patient can be moved to free up a bed. Gantzer says patients are staying in the emergency department waiting for a room.
So we have patients who need emergent care who can't get into our emergency room because we have limited beds, and the wait time just becomes more prolonged. It's a revolving door.
22 out of the 30 patients in the ICU unit are on ventilators due to COVID-19. The other 8 are also on ventilators.
Right now we have 64 staff members here that the state of Illinois has helped us secure, from respiratory therapists to RNs to imaging to ED techs, CNAs. I can't fathom where we would be if we didn't have 64 staff members here.
Peterson says now is the time to take all the measures you can to stay out of the hospital.
If it doesn't stop, we have to do something different, because what we're doing right now isn't working.
The Winnebago County Health Department says almost 50 patients are in the ICU in the Winnebago County area with COVID-19. Nearly 60% of all COVID-19 cases in the region go to Swedish American, according to a Swedish American spokesperson.